Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 5-pack braided stretchy adjustable straps for the Apple Watches. Alright, so right here is the 5-pack of these stretchy adjustable straps. This is compatible with all the Apple Watches, all the way down from Series 3 up to the Ultra. So you've got the purple, the pink, the green, the black, and you've got the white. So they have different choices to choose from. There are different colors you'd like. And this one here is my watch. I have the Ultra. You can see that my case has like a pink beige. So what I'm going to do is grab the pink beige and go ahead and connect it to my watch. This is where the strap will go in here. This is the top and this is the bottom. So I'm just going to go grab the beige color. This one right here. There's the pink beige. So now I'm just going to grab it. I'm going to slide it in. It is super easy to slide in and it is easy to take off. Mine is a little hard because I have nails and the case itself is a little hard, so I'm just going to try to do this with one hand. So I'm going to slide this up in here. Just push it right up in there. Make sure you link up the metal things to the correct side. So right here, this is the bottom side, so now I need to connect the top side. This is what it looks like. It is super nice. You do have a metal thing right here. You can adjust it. If it's too tight, you can loosen it. If it's too loose, you can tighten it. So, and these are water resistant, so I use mine in the swimming pool, so I have no problem with it taking on and off. So I'm just going to slide this one right in there. You can see that it matches with my band. This one right here, you can adjust it to loosen it or to tighten it. This is super nice. It is breathable. You don't have to worry about sweating. It's very adjustable, so if you want to just slide it on and off, you can just slide it off and on with no issues. This one goes from the apples to 38 millimeters, 40 millimeters, 41 to 44, 45, 49 with the width of a woman's lady wrist. So this one here is unisex. It can be used for men or women. So this one here I did use for mine, and then I did give my son the black one for his Apple Watch 8. So you can see that it is a nice braided watch band. They are durable, adjustable, and they are water resistant. So if you're looking for a nice Apple Watch band, I would highly recommend checking this one out. You do get 5 in this pack.